There's new research out today that finds some harmful chemicals in consumer products are not listed on labels. Dr. Susan Pinney is an epidemiologist and professor of environmental health at the UC College of Medicine. She's with us today. I'm so glad she is. She's also here to discuss this weekend's public forum. Dr. Pinney, all right, first let's talk about this public forum. What's happening this weekend?
Well, this weekend we have our annual Looking Upstream Forum. It was originally designed to look at risk factors for breast cancer, but actually this year our forum is designed for a much wider audience.
And so not just breast cancer,
right,
all
not just breast
cancers.
cancer survivors. And we're looking at environmental exposures and how they might be present in our environment, how we know how prevalent they are, and a little bit how they might be impacting our health.
There's actually been some chemical research studies that have been done right here in Cincinnati. What are the findings of those?
Well, some. Cincinnati Children's Hospital and UC are conducting a study of puberty, girls maturing during puberty. And in that study, we measure blood, we measure environmental chemicals in blood and other biospecimens. And in these girls, these young girls, we've actually found a wide range of levels in girls right here in the Cincinnati area. And a few of them have quite high levels of some chemicals.
What is causing that?
Well, we don't know. We don't know, but we know from some research that was reported last week from Dr. Julia Brody of Silent Spring Institute. She looked in a study at various products, 42 traditional products like soaps and fragrances and cleaning products, and then also some green products. And in their study, they measured the chemicals that were in these products, and they actually found that a number of them were not on the labels.
Even the green products?
Even green products. One green sunscreen was probably one of the worst violators.
Really?
Yes.
And so they're not listing chemicals, but do we know for sure that those non-listed chemicals may be hurting us?
We know that they're getting into our bodies. I can't say for sure at this point that we know they may be hurting us, but based on animal studies, we do know that these chemicals cause health problems in animals. So we have a way yet to go to learn more about humans, but it's certainly an area that we're studying.
So how do we, because it seems clear that chemicals affect our bodies perhaps negatively, so how do we quickly, and I'm running out of time unfortunately, how do we lessen the chemicals coming into our system?
Well, Dr. Brody will have some specific suggestions this Saturday at our forum, but I think it's taking responsibility, being a wise consumer, looking at what's in the products that you use, trying to reduce the number of products, trying to use more old-fashioned basic cleaning products, just, you know, common sense. But I do believe we have a personal responsibility, and our forum is to help educate people how to handle that responsibility.
We are certainly out of time, and I wish we had more time. But how can people come? Can anyone come to this?
Anyone can come. We have nurses coming. We give nursing continuing education units. We have some high school students coming. I think we're going to have the information on your website.
That's right.
Specifically how they can register.
Where is it again?
It's going to be held at UC's Reading Road campus.
Great. And
free parking, a great full hot breakfast, and a morning workshop.
As few chemicals as possible in that breakfast, I might add.
Yes.
Dr. Pinney, I appreciate very much that you've come in. I wish we need more time to discuss this, certainly.
That would be great.
Thanks a bunch.
Sure.